If you look at this problem, what is the equation of the parabola? What is the equation of the parabola whose focus is at the point 3, 2, whose focus is at the point 3, 2. The focus will be at the point 3, 2 like this. The focus is at the point 3, 2 and the vertex is at the point 1, 2. The vertex is at the point 1, 2. Okay. So now what to do? You have to draw one line like this. This is the axis. This is the axis which will pass like this. Correct? This will pass like this, right? So first you calculate what is the slope of VF. Slope of VF. This is the focus F, this is the vertex V. That is nothing but y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We'll consider this as x1 y1 and we'll consider this as x2 y2 for reference. Is it okay? First you calculate the slope. How much do you get slope? You will get the slope will be equal to 2 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 3, that is equal to 0 by minus 2, 0 by minus 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore, what should be the slope of directrix? Slope of directrix should be equal to how much? Should be equal to 2 divided by 0, that is equal to undefined. Why? Since axis of the parabola is perpendicular to what is it? Axis of the parabola is perpendicular to the directrix, correct or not? Infinity. Now, slope is, yes. Now again, vertex, the point through which the directrix passes, let it be A. V is the midpoint of AF, correct? V is the midpoint of AF. So let me say that the directrix will pass through the point x, y. So I can say V is nothing but 1, 2, that is equal to x plus 3 divided by 2, y plus 2 divided by 2. So what is this answer? X plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1 and y plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2, correct or not? So this point through which the directrix passes is nothing but minus 1, 2. And the equation of the directrix is, now see like this, this is the directrix, right? This is the directrix. So what is the equation of directrix? What is the equation of directrix? Equation of directrix is y minus y3, that is equal to m into x minus x3. So this point I will call it as x3, y3. x3, y3. So y minus 2, that is equal to infinity. Slope of directrix will be equal to infinity into x minus of x3. So y minus 2 divided by x plus 1 should be equal to infinity. When do you say that answer will be infinity? Only when the denominator will become equal to 0. So this will be the equation of the directrix. So the equation of this directrix will be equal to x plus 1, right? X plus 1. So I might also write x plus 1 is equal to 0. I can also write this as x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 is the equation of the directrix. Let's consider one point now. Let's consider one point P x, y on this particular parabola. Is it okay? By definition, PF should be equal to, if I consider this point as point M, PF should be equal to PM, correct or not? This is by definition of the parabola, correct? By definition, we have seen this in the synopsis. PF should be equal to square root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square should be equal to, what is it? The distance from the point x, y to x is equal to minus 1. How do you calculate the distance of the point? This is x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? So this distance, how do you calculate? Distance of the point x, y, to the line x plus 1 is equal to 0. How do you calculate this? So I can say x plus 1 divided by what is it? Root of 2, correct or not? This distance. What is this answer that we get now? X plus 1 divided by what is it? Root 2. This is the distance. So what to do? How do we calculate this? So we can write this as x plus 1 divided by root 1, right? Not root 2, root 1 only, root 1 plus 0, right? So this is nothing but mod of x plus 1 divided by 1. How? Distance of the point from AX plus by plus c, ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root over a square plus b square is what we know. Correct. So this is the formula. So this is nothing but x plus 1 divided by 1 modulus. So what we'll do, squaring on both sides, x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square, that is equal to x plus 1 the whole square. So x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 4y plus 4, that is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. So what will happen, x square and x square will get cancelled. So what is the answer that we get to? Y square minus 6x minus 8x and plus minus 4y, minus 8x minus 4y, 9 4 13, 13 plus 12, this is equal to 0. This will be the answer to the question.